Okay, we got a Yamaha YZ250 in the shop. I'm going to do just a quick walk around of this bike before we begin our disassembly of it. Give you a little look at it, because who doesn't like to look at dirt bikes? This bike, our coverage should start of this YZ250 in 2005. Was a major update for this bike when it received an aluminum frame and some other changes we're going to go over as we move through this project. These bikes do require a lot of maintenance, and we will cover that. I mean, it's nothing to throw a crankshaft, crank seals, top ends, fork rebuilds, you know, periodic maintenance, air cleaner servicing's a major thing to keep up to date on these bikes. When we finish our repair manual production, you'll be able to sign up, and we'll have tech support with that as well. So if you have any questions about working on your motorcycle, we'll be happy to answer those for you.